Okay, guys. Okay, Danny. No problem. All right, guys. We'll start out with both boxes of contenders, and then we'll do the hybrids. Good luck, everyone. I got my cheat sheet here. You know they got the 430 prospects in this. Okay, we got Minshew, Pollard, Julio Jones, Chris Carson, Mecole Hardman, Debo Samuel. We got auto. Kendrick Rogers going to the Cowboys. Cowboys going to Phil. Good start, Phil. We got a CD Lamb, Laviska Shenault for the Jags, T. Higgins for the Bengals, Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. We got a Tua for the Dolphins, Juju for the Steelers, Carson Wentz, Max Crosby, DeAndre Hopkins, Joey Bosa, and Barry Sanders. AJ, you got your boss checking in on you, man? Timo, if we got a multiplayer card from two different teams, we randomize it at the end. So, if you got the Eagles and Phil got the Chargers, and we got two players from those teams at the end of the break, I'm gonna draw the dice. I'll put both your names in the randomizer, and then whoever comes out on top is gonna win the card. Okay. The Hopkins is gonna go to the Cardinals. Okay, Carr, Freeman, Brissett, Aaron Jones, Kyler Murray. Also, AJ, the base veteran players don't ship unless you specifically want them. You got to let me know because it becomes a lot to ship out on the vet base. Some people don't want them. So I donate the cards, but if you want them, just anybody who wants their vet-based cards, just drop me a DM, and then I'll stack them together for you. Okay. Preston Williams, we got our second auto. We got Bryce Hopkins for the Rams. Rams going to Chris. Chris is on the board. Okay, we got a game day ticket Ruggs, Higgins, we got Joe Burrow, Collegiate Connections, we got a J.K. Dobbins, we got a Tua, Murray and Mayfield, Johnson, Ryan, we got David Montgomery, Lindsey, Zeke, and Brady. So like these collegiate connection cards, if there's a rookie on the card and a vet on the card, it's going to go to the rookie, okay? Okay, Henry, Wilson, Jacoby Myers, Aaron Rodgers, Lamjack, we got a Jacob Eason, Jake Fromm, Collegiate Connections, insert. Okay, we could random that off. This is numbered 1 out of 5. Just saw it there. 1 out of 5. Jacob Eason, Jake Fromm. So that's going to be the Colts with Danny. And Jake Fromm's going to be on the Bills, which is going to be Phil. Whoa. The face-off. All right, guys, we got another hit here. It's a good one. It's a good one. Going to the Chargers, Justin Herbert, Optic College Ticket Autograph. 1 out of 15. Big hit Phil. Wow. That's a nice card, man. That's fire. Sure is. Woo! Man, I still got the touch. It keeps going. Wow. Nice hit. All right. From Swift. Akers. Murray. Bradshaw. Elway. Chubb. Hodges. Barkley. Stidman. Pulling fire. More fire. All right, pack 4. All right, Jones Jr., Irv Smith, Brown, Cooper Kupp, Nick Bosa, Devin Singletary. We got another auto. I think it's going to be for the Browns. If I'm not mistaken, but I've been wrong. Yes, I am wrong. We got a Shea Patterson going to the Chiefs and Danny. Shea Patterson to the Chiefs. Nice hit, Danny. Damn, you see that bottom little corner? It's a little whitish. Okay, we got Herbert, game day. Judy, game day. Judy and Ruggs. Fromm. Jefferson and Shark. Rudolph. Henderson. Rivers. Smith. Gurley. Jacobs. Damn, Danny. You know, hey, after Phil hit all that fire, he's like, hey, Danny, you can have that from. But that's very generous of you, Phil, man. That's a 1 out of 5 insert card right there. So that's pretty cool, man. All right, guys, pack 5. We got Sutton, Renfro, Kelsey, Hill, Godwin, Gallup. We got a hit going to be for the Chargers. Joe Reed, college ticket autograph. Chargers going to Phil. Okay, Taylor, Tua, Montez Shavalt, Hertz, Bosa, Cooper, Ingram, Marino, Campbell, Moore, and Hawkinson. Okay, guys, last pack, box number 1. Darnold, Goff, Kamara, Andrews, Cook, Beckham. Got another hit here. We got Omar Bayless going to the Panthers. Panthers belonging to Sean. Nice hit, Sean. At Arkansas State, Omar Bayless. Yeah, you know, Phil, Danny told me he was going to be a little busy, so I don't know if he stayed on. Okay, we got a Chase Young. We got a Joe Burrow. Game day. Hurts and Lamb. Swift. We got a Legacy. Herbert, Mariota. Ridley. Stafford. Stephon Diggs. Garoppolo. Mayfield and Marquise Brown. Okay, guys. On to box number 2. Hey, Sean, that's like your favorite word, huh? Swizzle. I was driving, but thanks, Phil. I have volume now, too. You explain how the dual cards go. Okay, so look, there's a lot of base cards in these sets, and that's why in the description I put, the base cards are not going to ship out for the vets. So, I'll ship out all the rookie cards. They do have some like base rookie cards where you're gonna have more than one player. Um, you guys let me know. Some guys, they don't really care for them for the base ones. If you do, I mean, I could random them all out. So, but normally I just randomize the hits. So, it's up to you guys. If you want, I could just donate the double cards with the two college players, or I could randomize them all. I mean, you guys can let me know. I know it's kind of a pain. Okay, we got Barkley, Stidham, Cooper, Ingram, Marino, Campbell, Joe Reed again. This time, it's a nice one. We got a cracked ice. Joe Reed, 23 of 23. Going to the Chargers. The Chargers are just killing it. Killing it. All right, we got a Rieger rookie from Breland Herbert. We got a Pittman, Swift and Gurley, A.J. Brown, Cup, Bosa, Singletary, Sam Darnold, and Jared Goff. All right, we got a Zeke, Brady, Smith, Wentz, Crosby, Hopkins. We got a autograph for the Green Bay Packers, Josiah DeGuara out of Cincinnati. Josiah DeGuara going to Sean. Sean with another hit. Got a Tua game day. Ruggs to the Raiders. LaVisca and Montez. We got a Justin Jefferson. Smith and Tebow. McCaffrey. Sanders. Watson. Finley. Washington. And Madison. Yeah, I mean, if you want them for your son, yeah, I'll send them all out to you. If you guys, want them for the kids, that's cool, man. I'll send them out. Like I said, just let me know. So Danny wants them, Phil wants them. All right, pack 3. Sony Michel, Rice, Eckler, Mack, Jones, Mahomes. We got a Damon Arnett college ticket. Damon Arnett. I think he's going to the Raiders. The Raiders belonging to Tyson. Tyson with the Damon Arnett. Nice hit, Tyson. Yep. Okay, AJ. Okay. So you guys okay with me just keeping the dual base cards? If there's a quarterback on there, what I'll do is if there's a quarterback on there, a rookie quarterback, I'm just gonna send it to whoever has the rookie quarterback on there. So like Steve Montez and Chenault, I'm just gonna send it to whoever has Steve Montez. All right, is that okay with you guys? Just reply if you're okay with that. Okay, Ayuk, Akers, Hurts and Tua, Burrow, Pittman. Jacoby, you're funny, Mr. Pokey. Aaron Jones, Kyler Murray, Preston Williams, Minshew, and Pollard. All right, pack 4. Okay, we got a Bosa, Sanders, Rudolph, Henderson, Rivers, Smith. We got an autograph going to the Green Bay Packers and Sean Darrell Stewart Jr. out of Michigan State. Okay, Higgins, Lamb, Burrow, Akers, Legacy, Fournette, Prescott, Fant, Johnson, Allen, and Kirk. Two packs left. Oh, shit. Metcalf, Bradshaw, Elway, Chubb, Hodges. We got a bowl ticket, 42 of 99, going to the Chiefs, Travis Kelce. Danny. Oh, man. We did it again. We done did it again. Who got the Lions? Ah. 101. 1 of 1. DeAndre Swift to the Lions. Print plate 101. 1 of 1. Again. Woo. One of 1, DeAndre Swift, printing plate autograph. Uno de uno. Fire. And nice hit, Phil. I got some crazy luck, man. You know, when I used to do my own personal stuff, I just get crazy stuff. I don't know, man. One day, man, I don't know. Maybe it'll run out one day. That's crazy, man. All right, man. Hurts, Dobbins. We got Akuda and Young. We got a draft class, Jordan Love for the Packers. Zeke and Dobbins. Jones, Carson, Hardman, Samuel, Jones, and Irv Smith. All right, Phil, man. Virtual, man. Right there. Hey, man. AJ, I'm trying here, man. This guy's got the hot hand, man. I think Sean and Phil, Danny's got some stuff too. All right, last pack, guys. Good luck. Okay, Moore, Hawkinson, Johnson, Ryan, Montgomery, Lindsay. We got a DJ Dallas autograph going to the Seattle Seahawks. Chris. Represent the U. Chris, you gotta put a chain on when you get a UM hit. Where's Chris at? Swift, Taylor, Hill and Dobbins, Ayuk, Burrow, Legacy, Kamara, Andrews, Cook, Beckham, Shark, and Johnson. All right, guys, that does it for the Contenders. Moving on to one of my favorite products, Panini Prizm. First two autos that you missed. Geez, one, two, three, four, five. I think we got 7 autos because I think maybe the printing plate was extra. Let me check real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we got 7 autos in that second box. The first one was a Damon Arnett to the Raiders and a Josiah DeGuara. I think that went to the who was it? The Packers? Okay. All right, guys. Good luck. Yeah, man. Let's try to see if I could get you some fire here, AJ. Let's see. Okay, we got a Landjack Crusade, Kamara Crusade. We got a Peyton Manning Orange. It's going to the Colts. We got a Derek Brown Purple. Derek Brown, rookie, purple, going to the Panthers. Sean. We got a Jalen Reagor, rookie for the Eagles. Yeah, so Sean, if you're lagging, that means that you're behind on the break. So you're gonna have to speed it up. So yeah, if you go to if you look at any break, a lot of the times it's gonna lag. So you gotta fast forward it and then catch it live, and then it'll stop lagging. Okay, we got a Rodgers, Lambjack. We got a Prizm Marlon Mack. We got a Prizm AJ Panessa. AJ Panessa Prizm going to the Bills. And we got a Jared Pinkney. Bosa. Cook. We got a purple Kamara for the Saints. We got a Chase Claypool Prizm rookie for the Steelers. And we got a J.K. Dobbins rookie for the Ravens. Come on, Swizzle man, you got AT&T? I'm trying, AJ. All right. Barry. Marquise Brown. Daniel Jones Crusade. We got a orange Terrell Lewis. I forget what team Terrell Lewis is on. Terrell Lewis going to the Rams. Rams going to Chris. And we got a Tua rookie going to the Dolphins. All right, we got a Stidham, Mayfield. We got a Prizm Julio Jones. We got a Prizm Xavier McKinney. And a Terrell Lewis again. Debo Henderson. We got a purple John Elway. Albert Okwuegbunam. And we got a Justin Jefferson rookie. Ingram. Sutton. We got a green A.J. Brown going to the Titans. Tyson. Green A.J. Brown. We got a nice hit here going to the Miami Dolphins belonging to Danny. We got a orange Tua Tagovailoa. Aloha. Nice hit, Danny. That's a nice card, man. And we got a DeAndre Swift rookie for the Lions. All right, man. We got a DK Metcalf, Gurley, purple Kamara, Joe Burrow, silver Prizm, going to Phil. That's a good one. That's a good one, Phil. And we got a Jordan Love rookie for the Packers, Sean Swizzles. The Swizzles? All right, man. Hardman, Prescott. We got a Aaron Jones Prizm for the Packs, Mims Prizm, and a Jacob Eason rookie. We got a Brady. Michelle. We got a Chubb, silver. We got a purple, Justin Jefferson, and a Brian Lewerke. Two packs. Still waiting for the auto. Let's see what it be. Chubb. McCaffrey Crusade. In orange, McCaffrey Crusade going to the Panthers and Sean. We got a Laviska Shenault silver. And a Colin Johnson. Guys, I got one pack left in this box. Man, there better be an auto in here. There better be an auto in here. Okay, we got Jacoby Brissett. There it is. Jacoby Brissett. Patrick Mahomes, silver, going to the Chiefs. Nice hit for the Chiefs on the Mahomes. A.J. Dillon for the Packers, rookie Prizm, and a Derek Brown. We got our autograph here. Hey, it's a good one. It's a good one. Yes, it is. 7 out of 7 going to the Lions. Gold cracked ice. Jeff Okudah out of the Ohio State University. Look at this. Look at this. Woo! Jeff Okudah. Okudah Matata. 7 of 7 on the number. Nice hit, Phil. Boom. Wow. Damn. On fire. Jeez. Oh. Damn. Hey, that's funny, AJ. That is the only time the Lions are on fire, man. Shit, they've been bad for a long time. Hold on, guys. I ran out of top loaders. Just realized. Yeah. You know, Adam, I never understood that. To get rid of the cornerback, just to draft another cornerback. What was it, Diggs? They got rid of. Now you gotta hope that Okudah's gonna be as good as Diggs is. So I don't get it. All right, guys. Box number 4. Good luck. AJ, you know, if you curse on here, I'm not gonna be able to show that. Slay. That's right, not Diggs. Slay. Because sometimes I got kids watching, so I try to keep it PG, man. Box number 4. Good luck, everybody. We got Sanders, Wilson, Silver Prizm Rogers for the Packs. Javon Kinlaw, Silver Prizm rookie. I always forget where Javon Kinlaw's coming from. Javon Kinlaw, let me see. Niners. You're right, AJ. You're right. You're funny, man. Niners going to Sean. And we got an Anthony Gordon for the Seahawks, rookie. All right, we got a Stidham. We got a auto. Oh. Got James Robinson going to the Jags. James Robinson. We pulled it quick this time. Jaguars. Danny. We got an orange All-Americans, Darrell Henderson, not numbered. We got a Curtis Weaver, Silver Prizm, and a Cam Akers going to the Rams. Who? Robinson is going to take Fournette's job. And my Jamaica. More fire! More fire! Fire! Debo. Kamara. We got a purple Terry McLaurin going to the Redskins. Chris, I believe. I'm sorry, man. National Washington football team. It's going to take me a while, guys. I really do apologize. We got a green Justin Jefferson and a Keyshawn Vaughn. I always confuse Van Jefferson and Justin Jefferson. Justin Jefferson. That green's going to the Vikings. Vikings belonging to Danny. Who? Fournette wants out. Reset. Elway. Speaking of Prizm, Fournette. Prizm, KJ Hill for the Chargers. And a Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Yeah, he could last. Man, I loved Fournette out of LSU, but these guys go to the pros, and then that money, man, that money start making people think crazy stuff. Kamara. We got another green A.J. Brown going to the Titans. Tyson. We got a silver Shea Patterson and a Jared Pinkney. Man, you know what? I can't believe that they got rid of Calais Campbell. That guy is such a stand-up guy. Great character, team leader. I don't get it. We got Metcalf, Lamb Jack. We got a silver Prizm, Deshaun Watson to the Texans. We got a purple Cam Akers going to the Rams. Rams belonging to Chris. And a J.K. Dobbins rookie to the Ravens. We got a Hardman Jr., Dalvin Cook. We got a Purple Crusades going to Washington, McLaurin. KJ Hamler, Silver Prizm going to the Broncos, Jason. And we got another Tua. Another Tua going to Danny. Mark Andrews, Kyler Murray base. Preston Williams purple going to the Dolphins. We got a Jalen Hurts Silver Prizm going to the Eagles. Tyson. And a Curtis Weaver. Four packs left. Sometimes they got two autos in here, so let's see if we get lucky. Sometimes. Okay, Henry. Slayton. We got a silver Brett Favre going to the pack. We got an orange Keyshawn Vaughn going to the Bucks. Bucks going to Bill. And a Javon Kinlaw for the Niners. Lamb Jack. Zeke. We got a green Michael Thomas going to the Saints. AJ. CJ Henderson, Silver Prizm. I always forget where CJ Henderson's at. CJ Henderson going to the Jags. And we got a Justin Herbert rookie to the Chargers. Two packs. Got Rodgers, Mecole Hardman. We got a purple Amari Cooper for the Cowboys. We got a silver Justin Herbert going to the Chargers. And we got another CJ Henderson. Sorry about that. Last pack. Last pack. Good luck. Now, Pope, what did Luka do? We got a Bosa, Deontay Johnson, silver Stafford going to the Lions. We got a purple Keyshawn Vaughn, and we got a Jalen Hurts going to the Eagles. That is going to do it. I'm going to recap what we got here. We got a Silver Prizm, Justin Herbert. We got a Tua, James Robinson, Silver Prizm autograph. We got a Tua, orange Tua. We got a Jeff Okudah gold cracked ice for the Lions. We got a Joe Burrow Silver Prizm. We got a DJ Dallas to the Seahawks. We got a Travis Kelce, number 299. We got a 1/1 printing plate DeAndre Swift going to the Lions. We got a Darrell Stewart. We got a Joe Reed, 23/23 cracked ice for the Chargers. Josiah DeGuara, Damon Arnett. We got a 1/5 Eason and Fromm Collegiate Connections, which was won by Danny. Phil surrendered it to Danny, a good friend. Omar Bayless, auto. Joe Reed to the Chargers. We got a Shea Patterson. We got a Bryce Hopkins. We got a Kendrick Rogers. And we got a Justin Herbert Optic, number 2 1 of 15. The Young Okuda combo card. Phil, you still around? I don't think Phil wants it. I could send it to you. It's not a big deal. 7, 17, and 13 triple double. Okay, guys, that does it for the break. If you got any questions at all, DM me, send me an email, however you'd like. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next break, break number 5, and many, many more breaks in the future. Thanks, guys.